The Batman by Matt Reeves and Peter Chirac. Previously revision by Matt Reeves and Matt Tomlin. Written by Matt Reeves and Peter Chirac. Based on character from DC, Batman created by Bob Kane and Bill Finger. This script is the this script is confidential and property of Warren Bros. Picture and no portion of it may be performed, distributed, reproduced, used, or published without prior permission. Agriculture Production Limited. Exact. Black screen. Black screen. The quiet among city, traffic, and distance silent. Gradually, we make out something unraveling right beside us. Somewhere breathing. A massive red title fade out. A massive red title fades up. The Batman. Hole. The smash out of the blackness to reveal. Then smash out the blackness to reveal. Second. An out of focus binocular pop does. We focus searching the facade of an outland townhouse. The breathing suddenly quiet as a shape appears in a window. A little rat ninja gaze out, clutching a small sword. The ninja spin, brand sing the sword as two as a two. Save enter behind him. A woman, late 30s dresses as a witch, and a man, late 50s, in a well cut suit. The little ninja, the little ninja rushes in, stabbing the man, who collapsed melo- melodramatically. The woman smiles, speaks to the ninja, and he grabs a pumpkin candy bucket as they start to exit. The man strides up hell after him. The ninja turns back for a hug. Finally, the ninja and woman exit, leaving the man alone. He grows sober as the man pulls himself up. The breathing beside resume. Ad-free music. U Radio. 3. Enter. Opulent townhouse. Daimler dimly lighted to study. Night. In the night of the glistening TV, we see now the man is handsome, distant sleeping Scott, watching the news. Crayon Red, Gotham Meryl Ray, female newscaster on TV. Just released old, just released, just released, just released old, have incumbent mayor Don Mitchell Jr. and 28-year-old grassroots challenger Bella Red. The dead had things suddenly got hot last night in their final debate before next Tuesday election. As the man exhaustingly, as the man exhaustingly, as the man exhaustingly watches the debate play, he lies. He is a Mayor Mitchell, his female challenger, Bella young, intelligent, a force of nature, here on stage. Mayor Mitchell on TV. Now, my young opponent, they are want to cut to bottom with renewable program established by Vijay Thompson. When Thompson went, cutting the founder of little project like RC Wall and the safety net for those in need. Continue. The Bella the renewable program is broken. 20 years. I look. 20 years. Look where it is gotten us. Crime has skyrocketed. Let me check on TV. Now, wait a minute. Hold on. Bella Red on TV. Murder and drug. Youth are at historic high. We have mastered vigilante running the street. We have mastered vigilante running the street. Near Mitchell. Under my administration, the bottom PhD Dell major blown against organized crime and drug trafficking. The Stabilizer Maroni case was biggest drug bust in city history. Bella well on TV. But drugs and other drugs are still rampant. It's gotten worse than it on TV. I am not saying there isn't work to do, but listen. I have a beautiful wife and young son. Okay, rest until I will not rest until this city is safe for him, safe for them, and out all out are citizens. Mitchell turns. Mitchell turns started as a phone ring. He exit framed to answer. We stayed on a dark hall behind. We stayed. We stayed on a dark wall behind the study on the wall by doorway. We see frame headline. Moroni drug bar near city operation in Road. At the TV brightness, we see the first time someone in the hall, barely visible. The figures were a dark olive green hood, a homemade executioner mask with perspective eviction glass visually outside the hood. Mayor Mitchell. Out. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. I am watching CG1. Mitchell faced in and out of frame. The figure hooded head mindlessly tracked him where Mitchell was. Why still time? I thought we were getting a bomb in the new postpone. Okay, you know what is? I can't. I can't watch this anymore. Call me in the morning. We hear the phone hang up, and Mitchell re-entered frame a little. As he shuts off the TV, the hall behind him suddenly goes dark. The figure no longer inside. Continentally on with February sitting Mitchell, center chair, dark in hand, dark. Mitchell there, stand there, drink in hand, start to sip. As the figure lurch out the dark, frantically clapping him over and over. Suddenly the weapon slipped loose. Its scattered right at the earth. Stop and stop. A gleaming metal tool. Whatever it is, it's a bat with blood. The figure turned panting. A rise of most brutally victim. studies over over two. A glove hand it with the strange weapon. The figure walked back. The figure walked back, regarding the victim for a long, creeping moment. Then it stretches its arm as far as they will go, loudly upswelling. A long piece of silver duct tape, and with a low rumble of thunder, we slam into blackness again. We hear patting them as a hypnotic voiceover begins. Voiceover. Thursday. Blackness again. We hear that lingering as a hypnotic voiceover begin, voiceover. Thursday, October 31st, as a gas or bulb burn to a light, glowing brighter, revealing we are inside a searchlight. Exit, exit. Rooftop on the searchlight night. As a light, intense light fight. Candle illuminate, breathing and dancing automatically on the whole hotline. Rainy bottom sweet, high angle night.